summer is finally here. Yeah. Hi. So, I'm going to be talking today about summer. Yes, summer is finally here, and no more school. Oh yeah. So, that means that you can do plenty of things. Go swimming, or you can go to the beach, or you can just have dance parties. Okay, so I can't do a video with my hair looking like this, so I gotta get it a little. Just gonna brush it up. Hey, so my hair is all better now and I'm back. Yeah, so about summertime, it's really fun. You go swimming and have random dance parties and, you know, have all that cool stuff. I really don't know what to say. I didn't have anything planned for this video. I just wanted to make a video, you know, because I don't make videos like this often, probably on my computer, because I always do it on my iPod now. So I'm making a computer video with my camera, going back to the old days and stuff. Yeah, random fun, belligerent. Yeah, I really don't know what to say. I'm just having fun with stuff. Yeah, so that's just silly old me, just chilling out, having fun. Hope you enjoyed the video, and oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I still have a little bit of subscribers. Pooh.